So then the Shaykh recited, أَلَا إِنَّ أَوْلِيَاءَ اللَّهِ لَا خَوْفٌ عَلَيْهِمْ وَلَا هُمْ يَحْزَنُونَ الَّذِينَ آمَنُوا وَكَانُوا يَتَّقُونَ أُولَئِكَ لَهُمُ الْبُشْرَى فِي الْحَيَاةِ الدُّنْيَا وَفِي الْآخِرَةِ لا تبديل لكلمات الله لا تبديل لكلمات الله ذلك هو الفوز العظيم. Verily, ألا إن أولياء الله. What is a wali? الولي هو النصير والمحب والقريب. The wali is one who is helped by Allah, who is nasir. He's helped and he helps. She's helped and she helps. Wal-muhib, the wali is one who loves Allah and Allah loves them. We talk about the mission we have or should have to call our people. We could mention the racism also, tearing our society apart. When you look at this room, every race, so-called race, is represented. No one's uncomfortable sitting next to someone who might be from a different tribe or background or continent or different skin complexion. No one's uncomfortable. Ahlan wa sahlan, there's a seat, it's empty, take it. So, oh wait, no, you should go to the back. Or let me quietly go to the back. I don't sit next to you people. No one's uncomfortable. What put that in our hearts? Islam put that in our hearts. Our mission is to put this in the hearts of our people. لا خوف عليهم ولا هم يحزنون. So those people, so the three foundations, we talk about the awliya, three foundations of wilaya. Three foundations. And nusra, those who are helped by Allah, and they help Allah. يا أيها الذين آمنوا من يرتد منكم عن دينه فسوف يأتي الله بقوم يحبهم يحبونه. Oh, you believers, Allah is talking to us. Whoever turns back on the deen, this is not apostasy being discussed. من يرتد عن نصرة دينه. Whoever turns back from helping this religion, assisting this way of life rather, is broader than religion. فسوف يأتي الله بقوم يحبهم يحبونه. So it goes from نصرة من يرتد منكم عن نصرة دينه to محبة. فسوف يأتي الله بقوم يحبهم يحبونه. Then Allah will bring a people who He will love and they will love Him. Mahabba. Whom He will love and they will love Him. Which means what? Those people who are believers. يَا أَيُّهَا الَّذِينَ آمَنُوا مَن يَرْتَدَّ مِنكُمْ عَنْ دِينِهِ. Their love for Allah is suspect. I won't say they didn't love Allah. They didn't. That's not my right. I could say it was suspect. يُحِبُّهُمْ وَيُحِبُّونَهُ. He loves them and they love Him. And nearness, closeness. ألا إن أولياء الله لا خوف عليهم ولا هم يحزنون الذين آمنوا وكانوا يتقون. Those who were firmly established in faith. It's past tense. الذين آمنوا. So their faith was firm. Their faith was firmly established in their hearts. And that was the foundation for their ongoing consciousness and awareness of Allah. وَكَانُوا يَتَّقُونَ, present tense. Or past continuous. So, and they were constantly aware of Allah. Specifically His commandments and prohibitions, but then deeper than that. So an awareness that translates into a willingness to obey His commands and avoid His prohibitions. لهم البشرى في الحياة الدنيا وفي الآخرة. So that awareness, that love, that willingness to help this religion, that's closeness to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. We'll get to that subject momentarily. That is the foundation of the glad tidings they receive in this world. So they're not saddened, they have no fear nor sadness in this world because they've been able to overcome it through those qualities of wilayah. وَفِي الْآخِرَةِ. They have no fear nor sadness in the grave. And they have no fear nor sadness in the akhirah. Who could ask for more? What more could we ask for? What more could we ask for?